To add HTML code to GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to your website builder or cPanel. If you are using the GoDaddy website builder, click on the Edit button to access the editing interface. Look for the HTML section, which is usually represented by a symbol or labeled as embed code or custom code. Click on this section to open the HTML editor. Copy the HTML code you want to add and paste it into the HTML editor. Make sure to paste the code exactly as it is, without modifying it. If you are using cPanel, you will need to access the file manager to add HTML code. Navigate to the file manager and locate the file where you want to add the HTML code. Click on the file to open it in the editor. Then add your HTML code. Be careful when editing files in cPanel, as mistakes can break your website. After adding the HTML code, click the Save button to save the changes. Your HTML code should now be live on your website. It is essential to test your website after adding new HTML code to ensure it is working as expected. Check for any errors or issues and make adjustments as needed. Best practices for adding HTML code to GoDaddy include using a child theme or template to avoid overwriting changes when updating your website. Also, make sure to validate your HTML code to ensure it is correct and compatible with different browsers and devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add HTML code to your GoDaddy website and enhance its functionality and appearance.